Hi everyone, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys my 2 favorite Thanksgiving dessert recipes. If you're Jewish and keep kosher, the Thanksgiving meal can sometimes be tough because if you want to eat the turkey during the main meal, which is meat, then you can't enjoy all those delicious dairy desserts afterwards. So I wanted to share with you guys my 2 favorite recipes that we've used in my family for years and years that are Pareve, which means not dairy, and kosher. They are still super, super delicious. Even more delicious than the dairy alternatives. They are very easy to make and I want to show you guys how I do it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Alright, let's jump into the recipes. This is everything you'll need for the pecan pie recipe. I'll put all the details of the ingredients and directions below, but this is actually taken from the Karo corn syrup bottle. I just replaced the butter with vegan spread or margarine. So first I preheat the oven to 325, then I mix in the corn syrup, which is 1 cup, with 3 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, and the margarine. Next I add in the vanilla and mix it together. When everything is well incorporated, you just add in the pecans and mix together. Finally, you pour the filling into the pie crust. This pie crust is a frozen pie crust. There are many varieties that are marked kosher and pareve, so just look in the freezer aisle and you'll easily find them. Let them defrost for about 20 minutes before you fill the pie and pop it in the oven. So here it is before it goes into the oven. I just made sure the pecans were evenly spread before I put it in. And this is what the pie looks like just out of the oven. And here it is, ready to go on the Thanksgiving table. So delicious, my favorite Thanksgiving dessert. What a classic. Okay, this is my crustless cranberry pie. It's actually more of a cranberry cake. This is everything you need, and again, I'll put the instructions and details below in the description box. After you preheat the oven to 350, you're just going to add the dry ingredients into 1 bowl of your mixer. That includes 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and a little bit of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. Then you're going to add in your cranberries, 2 cups, and mix it all together. When the cranberries are coated in the sugar, flour, and salt mixture, you're going to add in the nuts. The recipe originally called for walnuts. I used pecans that I had left over from the pie, and it was just as delicious. By the way, I'm always cooking with a toddler or a baby running around, so if you see some little hands or toys in the background, that's why. Next, in a separate bowl, you're going to mix together the wet ingredients, which includes the vegan margarine, the eggs, and the vanilla. Finally, you're going to combine the wet and the dry mixtures and just let them mix together until your batters form. It will be pretty thick at this point. It already looks good to me. You can bake this in a pie dish, or you can use a lodge pan like I've used. Just remember to coat the bottom again with a nonstick spray or vegan margarine so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. I like using a lodge pan for this recipe because I like the look of it. Here it is just going into the oven. And here it is all set on the table, ready for Thanksgiving. So those are my 2 easy, delicious, and kosher non-dairy dessert recipes for Thanksgiving. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!